Hello, thanks for stopping by. You are here because the title intrigued you and you want your team members to become better at what they do, right? Have you ever made a mistake? Of course, we all have. There is one thing that I can say for sure. The majority of people doesn't make a mistake on purpose. If it is your current strategy to tell people when they do something wrong, it is just because you didn't learn a better way of doing it yet. That's what I'm here for. If people become afraid of making a mistake, here is what happens. Number 1, fear. The finger pointing and blame game is on to redirect attention from them to someone else. Number 2, mindset. The fear of doing something wrong becomes stronger than the desire of self-improvement, creativity, and innovation. Number 3, codependency. People won't move before the manager or supervisor tells them to move. How frustrating is that? Number 4, attitude. Is the quality of their thoughts. This means when people engage into a fearful thought process, they will lose productivity, make even more mistakes, and it will increase everyone's level of stress. Number 5, effort. If people work in a fear-based culture, they will get into survival mode and stop going the extra mile. So what should you do instead? Every mistake is a learning opportunity to make things better and to learn from it. Next time one of your team members makes a mistake, it can become a teaching moment. Ask a learner question from a place of curiosity. What happened? You really want to understand the person's perspective before you make any kind of fast judgment. Reflection. What did you learn from it? Future pace. What will you do differently next time? Remember, keeping it simple is sexy. Lift people up rather than put them down. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.